Namaskar.
First of all, I wish everybody good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. Students, as we all are knowing that you people are not going in school, but still we are getting education through online platform. So students, today we are going to see
Angles.
mathematics, and in mathematics we are going to see about angles. Okay. So before going to start our lecture, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ramnath Dasharath Sontakke. I am from Shivdi Crossroad, Mumbai Public School. And I would like to say a few things about our officers, our team, who are really working very hard work, who are really doing best work behind all these online platform or behind these online educations. So I would like to say thanks to our administrative officer Veena Sonone madam, our nodal bit officer Sharad Kurade sir, nodal HM Mrs. Mary Paul madam, assistant nodal HM Manpreet Kaur madam, and our CNO Ratilal Gurugule sir. Students, everything should start with good thought because it inspired us for
No matter how
wait.
you can always begin again.
Beta, please don't read. Okay. So everything should start with good thought. So I will read the thought. No matter how hard the past, you can always begin again. It means that if your past was bad, if your past was sad, if your past was not good, no matter, don't think about your past. Okay, just try to think about your future and just start to begin forward for doing your best. Okay, so with this good thought, we'll start our lesson. Students, what do you see here in the screen?
Sun.
It is a sun. Okay. Can you tell me what is there next to the sun? Especially, I would like to ask to this figure.
So arrow it's
Okay, it is an arrow. Good, very good, excellent. You are familiar with this. What is this, beta?
So it is clock. And then start with it.
Okay, it is a clock. Student, what is this? What do we call to this?
So it's
These are the hands of the clock. Okay, what do we call to these? Hands of the clock.
clock.
Now students, in between these two hands of the clock, what we can see here? Which geometrical figure we can see here?
Obtuse angle.
Okay, it is obtuse angle. Good, means okay. Now students, these are few pictures which we can see in your mobile screen. Can you tell me which geometrical figure you can see here?
So which figure?
This one, in between these two roads.
Acute angle.
Okay, I'm just asking figure, beta, figure, not type of angle. It is what? Angle, right?
Angle.
Now, can you see here?
Right angle and in laptops.
Okay, when you see the laptop, there you can see right angle. Good,
Yeah.
very good. What about these?
So it's right angle.
Okay, good, very good. Here, just
So
see the
it's also
corners
right
of.
angle.
Okay, so these all are called what? Angles.
Angle.
What we call to them?
Angles.
Angles, right? So students, Today we are going to learn about angles
Angles are
and
types
types
of
of
angles.
angles. Okay, students, you can see many types of angles or different types of angles in different figures or in different things. At your home, you can see right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, means many types of angles you can see the things which you have at your home. If you see the TV, so in TV, what type of angles you can see there? You can see there right angle. Okay, when you open the door of your house, so there also you can see angle. Okay, there also you can see angle. When you people sit to the corner of your house or home, there also you can see angles. Okay, so students, before going to start the types of angles, we should learn about what is an angle. Angle means what? An angle is the figure formed by two rays called the side of the angle. Okay, what is an angle? Angle is the figure formed by two rays, means this one and this one. These are the two rays, okay, which form an angle. Okay, and these two rays are called sides of the angle. What do we call to these two rays?
Circles.
No. I am asking about two rays. What do we call to these two rays? These are
Arrows.
the sides of the
Angles.
angle. Good, very good. And these two sides shares a common end point. These two rays or these two sides shares one common point. So this common point is called what? Vertex
Vortex of
of
the
the angle. Vertex of the
angle.
angle. This is what? Vertex of the angle.
Angle.
Is it clear to you? What is an angle?
Vertex of the angle. The side of
No.
the angle.
Did you understand about the
Yes,
uh,
sir.
meaning of an angle?
And angles in the figure formed by two rays called the sides of angle sharing a common end point called the vertex of the angle.
Very good. What is your name, beta?
Shamika Suri.
Okay, Shamika. Okay. So see, angle means what? An angle has two sides. Angle has two sides and one vertex. So these 2 points are very important. Now we'll see components of the
Part of an
components of an angle. Components of an angle. Components means what? Properties of an angle. Here you can say properties of an angle, or you can
properties of
say
the
parts of an angle. So what are the parts of an angle? Which are the parts which are very important for making an angle? Okay, so here is an angle. Here you can see these are the two rays.
Yes, sir.
These two rays are called sides of an angles. What we call to them? Sides of an
Angle.
angle. What we call to them?
Sides of the angle.
And the sides or the rays, wherever they are intersecting or wherever they are having end point, that end point is called what? Vertex
Vertex.
of an angle. Vertex of an
Angles.
angle. So here also you can see these are the two vertices. Sorry, these are the two arms or these are the two sides, okay, of an angle. And this point is called what?
So which point?
The point which I am drawing over here in second diagram.
Sir, it's vortex.
It's vertex. It is called vertex.
Vortex.
Okay. So students, here we can say the angle is the amount of turn between each arm. Means what is the angle? The space between these two arms. The space between these two arms. Okay, the space between these two arms is called an angle. Okay. Okay. So students, in angle, which symbol we use? Can anybody say?
Sir, which angles?
If I want to show an angle, so which short symbol or which is the symbol we should use?
Angle symbol.
Okay, so this is the angle symbol which is used to show an angle. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now students, as we learn about components of an angle, or you can say parts of an angle, so we should know how to write the name of an angle. So what is the name of this angle? So you can write angle BAC, means you can say angle BAC. How to read an angle? Angle BAC. How to read?
Angle BAC.
Or you can say angle CAB. What you can say? Angle
CAB. Angle CAB.
AB. So these are the two way by which we can read or write the name of angle. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After this, you can write name of angles in short form also. Okay, in short form also. So that we'll see here in next slide. But before going to start, you should understand about an angle. Angle has how many rays?
2 rays.
2 rays. Means this one and this one. And where is the end point of these 2 rays?
Vortex.
Vertex. So this is what? Vertex. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After this, now we'll learn about how to name the angle. Means how to name an angle. So there are 3 different way, or there are 3 different way of writing name of an angle. So what is the first? Use the vertex
Angle.
and point from both the side, means from point from each side. So how to write or read this angle? First of all, you begin with S.
Or angle TRS.
Better just wait. Don't run forward or don't run fast. Okay. So the name of angle is what? Start with this S point. Means how to read? Angle S R T. Or you can say angle, start with this T point, T R S. So what are the 2 ways to read or write the name of this angle? Can anybody read this?
Yes, sir. I can read. Angle TRS.
Okay. You should first say angle SRT and then you should say angle TRS. So these are the 2 ways of writing name of angle when we use vertex and the point of both the side. After this, we have second type by which you can write the name of an angle. So where is the vertex here? What is the name of vertex here?
Sir, vertex only.
So which point is there in the vertex?
R.
Which point is there at vertex? R. Point R is there. So you can write in short form the name of this angle. How you can write? Angle R. What you can write? Angle R. So just you have to take the vertex R for writing or for reading the name of any angle. So this is the second way. What is the third way? Use
Number.
Angle
1.
Okay, so if it is 1, so what you will write here? Angle 1. If I draw one more angle here, and if I write here 2, so what is the name of this angle? Angle
2.
Angle 2. Okay, so these are the three methods, or these are the three ways for writing and reading the name of angles. After this, we'll see about the name of an angles. Okay, now can you tell what is the name of the first angle?
Sir, acute right angle. Obtuse angle.
I am not asking the type of angle. I am asking the name of angle. Miss, my name is Ramnath. Okay, your name is Samiksha. So I just want to know the name of an angle. I'm not asking type of angle. What is the name of angle? First angle.
Obtuse angle.
No, I will tell you. The name of the first angle is angle DEF. What is the name of first angle?
DEF.
Angle DEF, not DEF. We are not reading alphabets. We are reading the name of an angle. We are writing the name of angle. So what you have to say? Angle DEF. Or you can say angle, start with this F now. Angle FED.
Angle DEF or angle FED.
Okay, after this, can you please read the name of second angle?
Angle KLM. Angle MLK.
You can say angle KLM, or you can say angle MLK. Good. Now, Samiksha, what is the name of third angle, beta?
ABC CBA.
No, this is not the way.
Angle ABC, angle CBA.
Very good. Angle ABC, or you can say angle CBA. Is it clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Are you understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After this, tell me the name of fourth angle. Who will tell?
Sir, again. ABC, angle ABE, angle EBA.
Very good. Angle ABE, or you can say angle EBA. Or acha, one more thing is there. What you can say?
One there. What?
Angle 1.
Angle.
Or you can say angle B. Okay, you can say angle B also. Now students, tell me the short form of the first angle. Means how we can write in short way. First angle. What is the vertex here?
E.
So you can say angle
E.
E. What is the short name of this angle?
Angle L.
Angle L. What is the name of this angle? Angle
B.
B. Okay, so you can read or write the name of angles in this way also. After this,
Easy short form.
yeah, it is easy. Okay, now students, we'll see about this instrument. Do you know we
Also
find this instrument in our geometry box. So can you tell me what do we call to this?
protector.
It's a protector. It is a protector. Can you tell me what is the use of protector? The use of this protector is what? To measure an angle. Means suppose this is an angle. This is an angle. Okay. And if I want to see the measure, or if I want to measure this angle, so what I will do? I will place the center point of this protector at vertex, and I will place the baseline of the protector on the base ray of this angle in this way. Now students, how to check or how to measure this angle? Means which number we should take. If the direction of an angle is towards right side, it is towards right side. So that time we should see these numbers. Okay.
45.
We should see these numbers when the angle is towards right side. But if angle is towards left side, where is angle? To your left side, means like this. If angle is like this, if the direction of angle is towards left side, so that time which number we should see? That time we should see the numbers which are there inside over here. Numbers. Is it clear? Okay. After this, again I'll tell you about protector. If the direction of an angle is towards left side, that time we should see these numbers. Okay. So the measure of an angle is how much? 70 degree. But the angle's direction is towards right side, that time we should see the numbers which are there inside on these protector. So what is the measure of this angle? 110. It is 110. Okay. Again, next to this, how to draw an angle when measure is given. How to draw an angle when measure is given. Suppose they are asking to draw an angle of 60 degree. So first of all, you have to draw an array with the help of scale. You have to draw first ray with the help of what? Scale. After that, place the center point of this protector on this vertex. Suppose here is vertex B. So place it on the vertex B and then place the baseline of this protector. I am talking about this line. Place the baseline of this protector on this ray and then check out where is 60 degree. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and this one is what?
60 degree.
60. So your angle will be like this. Is it clear?
Yes.
So what is the measure of this angle?
60 degree.
60 degree. So in this way, you can draw any type of angle with the help of protractor and pencil. After this, we'll see types of angles. As you all are familiar with the name of an angle, can you please tell me what is the name of this angle? What is the name of this angle? Can anybody say? Samiksha? What is the name of angle? Angle PQR.
R. Angle
Okay.
RQP.
Or you can say angle RQP. Or you can say angle Q.
Q.
Okay. So these are the three ways. In these three ways, we can easily name any type of angle.
Angle PQR or angle RQP, angle Q.
Means all these three angles are same.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the measure of this angle?
45 degree.
45 degree. Now, students, we'll check out types of angles. In types of angles, we are going to see 6 types of angles. The first type which we are going to see, that is what? That is acute angle. After this, we'll see right angle. After right angle, we'll see about obtuse angle. After obtuse angle, we'll see about straight angle. After straight angle, we'll see about reflex angle. And after that, what we are going to see? Full angle, or you can say it is complete angle. What we can say?
Complete angle.
Complete angle. So we'll see about acute angle. First of all, try to understand the definition of an acute angle. Acute angle means what? An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means what? It is
90 degree.
less than how much? 90 degree. Now what is the measure of this angle?
55 degree.
So 55 is less than 90 or more than 90. It is smaller than 90 or bigger than 90.
55 degree.
55 is smaller than 90 or bigger than 90. But which one is the bigger here? 90 is bigger or 55 is bigger?
90.
90 is bigger, right? 55 is smaller. So so what is the definition of acute angle? An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree, or you can say whose measure is smaller than 90 degree. That is what? Acute angle. After this type, we'll see about right angle. Now, right angle means what? An angle whose measure is 90 degree. An angle whose measure is 90 degree. That is what? Right angle. Okay. Now, if I draw an angle like this, so this is also what?
Right angle.
Right angle. Okay. This is the symbol which we use to show what? Right angle. Means this is the symbol which we use to show right angle. So right angle means what? An angle whose measure is 90 degree. That is what? Right angle. So can you tell me the name of this angle? What is the name of this angle?
Angle ABC, angle CCA, angle B.
In these three way you can say, but which type of angle is this? I am asking type of angle now. This is what?
Right angle.
Right angle. When I will ask you about the type, that time you can say acute, obtuse, right, straight, like this. But when I will ask you about the name of an angle, That time you have to say angle ABC or angle CBA, or you can say angle B. After this, the third type which we are going to see, that is obtuse angle. Now try to listen. Try to listen. Obtuse angle means what? An angle whose measure is in between 90 degree and 180 degree.
Degree is called an obtuse angle.
Or you can say an angle whose measure is more than, greater than, or bigger than 90 degree. Whose measure is what? Greater than. Okay. Whose measure is greater than 90 degree. Now what is the measure of this angle?
120 degree.
120. It is bigger than 90 or not?
So 100.
Yes, it is bigger than 90. So obtuse angle means what? An angle whose measure is more than, or greater than, or bigger than 90 degree. It is called an obtuse angle. Now after this, what is, wait, don't read. What is straight angle? Straight angle means what? When you people are having one vertex over here, and if I draw one ray to right side and one ray just opposite to the first ray to the left side, so I'm getting a straight line. What I'm getting here?
Straight line.
Straight line. But an angle which I have got, or which I have got here, that is what?
180 degree.
180 degree. So when angle is of 180 degree, that angle is called straight angle.
Straight angle.
So what is the straight angle? An angle whose measure is
80 degree. 180.
180 degree. An angle whose measure is how much?
180 degree.
180 degree. That angle is called what? What we call to that angle?
Straight angle.
Straight angle. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. After this, we'll see about the fifth type of an angle by their measure, that is what? Reflex angle. Now what is reflex angle? As we have studied about the straight angle, but now angle has inclined downward.
Down.
Okay. So what is the measure of this angle now here?
210 degree.
210 degree. So it is less than 180 or bigger than 180? It is smaller than 180 or it is bigger than 180? 210 is bigger than 180. So which type of angle is this? It is reflex angle. After this, now we'll see about complete angle. What is complete angle? If there are two rays over here, if I place them on each other, and if I will rotate one arm like this, complete angle. So what is the measure of complete angle? It is 360 degree. Measure of this angle is what? 360. So this is what? Complete angle. Okay, you can check out. If I divide this circle into 4 equal parts, so this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. If I add all these 4 angles, so what will be the sum of all these 4 angles? 360 degree. So this is what? Angle?
360 degree.
This is what? Which type of angle is this? It is called complete
angle.
complete angle. Now, students, now we'll whatever the things we have today. Okay. Can you please tell me name of angle? Anyone can say Q S, or you can say angle S Q R. Now, Samiksha, tell me what is the name of this angle? The name of angle is what here? Angle RVQ. The name of angle is what? RVQ. Now, one more angle is there. So we can say, what is the name of this angle? The second angle, angle QVP. Is it clear? Name the arms and the vertex of the angle. Now, what they are asking? Name of the arms and vertex of the angle. First of all, write down the name of an angle. What is the name of this angle? So the name of angle is what here? Angle ABC. Now they are asking about the arms. Arms means side of an angle. You can say arms or you can say side. So what are the side? You can say side AB and side
ABC angle CBA angle B.
and side BC. Side AB is there and side BC. Now they are asking about the vertex. Can you please tell me the name of vertex in this angle?
Vertex B.
Vertex B. Very good.
Vertex B.
Vertex B. Okay. What is the short way or what is the short form of this angle?
Angle B.
Angle B. Very good. Or you can say angle what?
Angle
One.
Angle 1.
One.
Angle 1. Good. Very good. Now, identify the type of angle. Which type of angle is this? How many types we have studied today? 6 types. Acute, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. So which type of angle is this?
Acute angle.
Acute angle.
Acute angle. Which type of angle is this?
Right angle.
Obtuse.
Okay, why it is right angle? What is the measure of this angle?
90.
90 degree. What is the measure of this angle? We don't know exactly, but you can say less than 90 degree. Okay. Next time I will tell my school student to join this link and they will respond very properly. Okay. Now, students,
Acute angle, right angle,
Acute angle. Right
obtuse angle, straight
angle. Obtuse angle.
you people
Straight
respond
angle.
like this, which I
Reflex angle.
never expect from you people. I am asking
Angle.
to write the measure of these angles. I am not asking to read the name of angle. So you never listen to your teacher. Okay. So what is the measure of this angle? What is the measure of an angle?
90 degree.
It is less than 90 degree. Means you can say what? Less than 90 degree. This is what is the measure of this angle?
90 degree. Less 90 degree.
What is the measure of this angle? Obtuse angle?
Degree.
90
is-
degree.
More than 90 degree.
More than
What is the measure of this angle?
180 degree.
180 degree. And what is the measure of this reflex angle?
80,
More than,
180 degree.
more than 180 degree.
More than
Okay. So in this way, you can easily find out the measure of an angle. Now students,
Homework.
I'm going to give you homework. So this is the table. In this table, you have to write down the name of an angle over here. Then vertex of angle.
angle.
And then arms of an angle, or you can say
Angle and side.
sides of an angle.
Name of the angle.
After this, one more homework is there. You have to write down the measure of all these angles.
Okay.
Okay. For this, you have to use what? What you have to use? Protector. Take protector.
Protector
Measure the angles and write down their measures in your notebook. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, bye. Bye.